The Road to Freedom staff had a proclivity to help me deal with feelings, help me pray, and help direct me through the path of recovery. Hi, my name is Eric, and thanks to the treatment center, I am happy, joyous, and free today. I got addicted to methadone, and I had a lot of painkillers, I had a lot of surgeries. I was really miserable. However, little did I know that God was going to use the treatment center as the beginning of a journey that would bring me into recovery, help me find love, peace, patience, kindness, and goodness, and self-control. Now, methadone is one of the harder opiates to withdraw from. But the biggest withdrawal was dealing with my feelings. Going through the steps, I realized that I carried a lot of anger, guilt, shame, resentments, fear, doubts, and insecurities. And as I walked through this, my sponsor asked me, as I got into step 4, to write all of these things down. Now, as I did this, I realized that what happened to me in my past, the abuse, the abandonment, and all the things people did to me, I held a huge resentment towards it. Little did I know that I carried this contempt and anger and resentment throughout my life. I had some long-term sobriety, but I was never happy. So as I did the inside work, God gave me the things I needed. I was humbled, therefore He exalted me in everything that I need. These are just instruments and tools that I can get around. But if you work on the inside, all the things from the outside will come to fruition. With all my heart, I want to thank the Road to Freedom staff for the adventure that I went on in recovery. If you are a family member or struggling with addiction, give the treatment center a call. They'll be more than happy to start your journey in recovery.